Right, sitting on the boat, concluding another day of work. Just wanted to update you what I've been doing. Well, the Lagoon Catamaran is hauled out and I'm trying to get some maintenance tasks done. So let me show you what we're up to so far. Of course, we started with the antifouling that had to be renewed. So I've been able to sand off all the antifouling so that it's ready for 2 new layers of coat. So now the surface is nice and smooth, because in many places there were still signs of growth and it was very irregular, so you can't just put paint over that. Now this should be fine. So that's done. Well, that sanding part is done. Then I had 2 Thruhulls that I was a bit suspicious of that they were leaking. Well, one I could clearly see it and the other one looked like it was about to lose it as well. So I've been replacing those. That one is in place, that one's still to go. Both of the keels of the boat look like they had a little bit of damage. One maybe from impact and the other one maybe older, a little bit of water in there, with actually already a hole to let the water come out, which was not plugged. So I've been doing that. And soon we'll probably put some fiberglass over the top and have it sealed off again, after it's dried out as much as possible. That's another Thruhull right there that needed fixing. It looked very rusty, so I just replaced it with a whole new one. Should be much better. Just put it in place now with plenty of Sikaflex, which is the marine sealant. And that round outlet there is actually the toilet outlet, which was blocked. We couldn't open it anymore. So, but we managed to unblock it while we were on the hard. So that's good to go now again as well. This side of the toilets. Luckily the other side of the boat was still working fine all this time. This rudder here looked like it needed a little bit of attention, so that got some filler as well. I've checked the plane for the rudders. That's pretty important to see how the bearings are, but it seems just a tiny bit, so hopefully they'll still be good to go for a few years. Then I noticed that there was a little bit of damage here, so I've been taking off the bumper strip and we'll be repairing this with epoxy filler, glue it up and probably also put a layer of fiberglass over the top. So that'll be quite nice. And then of course there's 2 of these bad boys, called the Saildrives. So I had to figure out how to take those apart. And they were quite well put together, to be honest, nice and tight. But eventually got them off, take everything out, change the seal that keeps the oil inside and the seawater out, take that out and put new ones in, and then put it back together again. And then put paint on there so that there cannot be any sea growth on here. So the paint has just arrived, and then soon I can start painting that as well. Put the propeller back on, 2 nuts come on the top. Repeat the same on the other side, and then those are good to go as well. Oh yeah, and not to forget to put new oil in as well, of course, because we drained that out using this little plug, which was also extremely stuck, and that took about a day to get out. So there you go, then you can understand how quickly the time goes. But that's it so far. Next update coming soon. Bit of wind is finally here. The wind was forecast and it actually came. That doesn't happen very often here in Alanya. But yeah, only about an hour's, I think half an hour of daylight left, so no kite surfing for me today. Hopefully soon, combined with some sailing and who knows what else. It'll be good, it's all worth it. Alright, that's it for the update. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to the Dutch sailing family. And there you go, as you can see, a little bit of stormy weather is on its way. Some rain tonight, so I better seal everything up nicely so it stays dry and we can continue work as soon as it clears up again. Hopefully not long. Oh yeah, forgot to show you what the boat looks like inside when you're doing all this work. And it smells like oil in here. And chemicals. Sorry, Jolene. Thank you for watching this episode. If you want to see how our sailing adventure started, why not check out this video. See you soon!